Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the second part of the 14th chapter, Our Rich Heritage. In this session, we are going to discuss about famous monuments of India. India is a land of historical monuments. They remind us of the rich cultural heritage of our country. Let us learn about some of them. Children, first of all, let us discuss about Chittorgarh Fort. The Chittorgarh Fort is one of the most majestic forts of India. It is situated in Rajasthan. It is also called the Water Fort due to the large number of water bodies in it. There are a number of important towers in it, like the Tower of Victory and the Tower of Fame, built to celebrate events of history. Children, where is the Chittorgarh Fort is situated? Chittorgarh Fort is situated in Rajasthan. Can you name some towers of Chittorgarh Fort? The Tower of Victory and the Tower of Fame are the important towers of Chittorgarh Fort. The places to visit are the Padmini Palace, Meera Temple, Fateh Prakash Palace, and several ancient Jain temples. A visitor has to enter the fort through 7 huge gates. So children, what are the important attractions of Chittorgarh Fort? Padmini Palace, Meera Temple, Fateh Prakash Palace are the important attractions in Chittorgarh Fort. Next, let us discuss about Mahabodhi Temple. Children, this is Mahabodhi Temple. It is situated in Gaya district of Bihar. It is a Buddhist stupa. It has a large image of Buddha in a seated posture. Near the temple is the Bodhi tree under which Buddha achieved enlightenment. The temple at this place was built by Ashoka. Children, now can you say where is Mahabodhi Temple is situated? Mahabodhi Temple is situated in Gaya district of Bihar. The Mahabodhi Temple is built by Emperor Ashoka. Children, now can you tell me the importance of Mahabodhi Temple? It has a large image of Buddha in a seated posture. This is the place where the Buddha achieved enlightenment. Next, let us discuss about Golden Temple. See children, this is Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar in Punjab. The temple is also known as Sri Harimandir Sahib, which means Temple of God. It is situated at the center of a sacred sarovar or pond. People from all over the world come here on pilgrimage. Maharaja Ranjit Singh covered the upper floors of the Gurudwara with gold. It is the holiest place of the Sikhs. Children, now can you tell me where this Golden Temple is situated? The Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar, Punjab. And what is the importance of this Golden Temple? Golden Temple is the holiest place of the Sikhs. People from all over the world come here on pilgrimage. Next, let us discuss about Victoria Memorial. See children, this is Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial in Kolkata is made of white marble and it was built in the memory of Queen Victoria. Various pictures related to the life of the Queen are displayed in the central hall. Children, where is this Victoria Memorial is situated? The Victoria Memorial is situated in Kolkata. And what is the importance of this Victoria Memorial? This Victoria Memorial is built in the memory of Queen Victoria. Various pictures related to the life of the Queen are displayed in its central hall. Children, now let us discuss about how to look after our monuments. Children, we have learnt about some majestic historical monuments in India. Monuments like these are very important part of our cultural heritage, and it is our duty to take care of them. We should not write on the wall of these monuments. We should never litter the premises of these monuments. Children, do you know what is litter? Litter means throwing garbage in a public place, and we should never litter the premises of these monuments. And we should not damage the monuments in any way. Children, today we have learned about famous Indian monuments and preserving our heritage. Question answer part of this chapter we will discuss in the coming class. Thank you and have a nice day.